Good afternoon. So I'm out here with my Gletcher Parabellum P08, and I've got 3 targets out there. I've got a target 10 yards, I've got a target at 12.5 metres, and I've got 5 cans at 12.5 metres. So I've got 20 shots. BB shooter, obviously. I'm going to try and put, I'll put 5 in each target, and that gives me 10 to do the cans. So it's 12.5 metres out, freestanding. So first 5 at the 10 yard, and then we'll zoom in on the other 2 targets. So put the magazine in, cock her back, put the safety on. Okay, so here goes. So double handed, I think. See how we do. Alright, zoom in on the 12.5 metre targets. Okay, now the cans. That one. Okay, so that's not too bad. So as you can see, the final shot, the cocking handles locks back, just drop the magazine, fire the action off, and she's safe. So you can see this is obviously a BB shooter. I think the pistol shoots very slightly to the left, so I was just aiming just slightly to one side of those cans. I winged at least 2, so I wasn't really far off knocking all 5 down. Got 4 of them. We're going to bring the targets up and see how we did. Right, now I think only 2 of these actually hit the target here. The reason being is I've noticed this pistol has some hop-ups, a little rubber pad in the barrel, and I think if it gets a little bit moist, it doesn't spin the BB back over the first few shots, which is why I think these 2, there's only 2 BBs through there and there, and the other 2 missed. Okay, looking at the actual 12.5 metre target, I mean that's quite a way up. You've got 1 here, 1 there, 1 there, 1 there. I can't see the other one, so it probably dropped off the target. So that's not bad. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4. I think with a bit of practice you'd get that tighter, but don't forget this is not a pellet shooter, unlike the Colt SA single action Colt and the actual Webley Mark 6. For both pellet shooters, both got longer barrels. This barrel's only this long, and this does shoot BB, so obviously it's not going to be nowhere near as accurate. It's also a little breeze today with some rain, so yeah, for a plinking pistol, yeah, it's really nice, well made. Shot count is quite low really, it's only about 52, and the reason being is there's quite a lot of big spring in here. If you've seen my takedown video, and of course when you fire this it blows back, so it blows against that spring. It's quite a pull actually. Okay, so it's quite a powerful spring, and obviously that uses more gas. Okay, so through the Crony, I only got about 52 shots out of it. It was starting to drop off. From shot 1 to about 41, it was doing 12 FPS or 11.9 FPS. That was with a 15-second interval between each shot. So it was pretty good, pretty consistent, and it only started to drop off at shot 45, where you can notice the drop off of CO2. So yeah, it's not the most economical as in CO2, but it's a lot of fun to shoot, and you can shoot it really quickly. Like I said, it's well made, nice bit of kit, and the trigger is single action obviously, and it's nice and light, a bit like the single action Colt. But obviously the single action Colt in pellet version, as we know, is much more accurate. Power wise, yeah, it's 1 foot-pounds. It averaged, I think, 1.05 foot-pounds over the 52 shots. So it's not that powerful. Probably wouldn't do 15 meters, yeah, where some pellet pistols will shoot 15, or even, I mean, the P08 was doing like 20 meters out, which is quite good. But yeah, it's not particularly powerful, but it's great fun to shoot. So if you're into like your German replicas, yeah, this is really nice. It's fixed sights, obviously old V sights at the back. Ease the sight, yeah, definitely ease the sight, but it does, for me and for my eyes, it shoots very slightly to the left. So with those targets, not with the targets, with the cans, I was actually aiming just very slightly off the can. Okay, so I hope you like that little video. Thanks for watching.